the copy view command will copy one of your views or any of the views to the clipboard so that you can paste it, maybe in a Word doc or a Google Doc or an email. So for example, I have this 3D view and I want to make a copy of it and I want to paste it into an email. So I could use some other, like Snagit or some other snipping tool, but within Business Center we have a copy view command. So if I click copy view, it's going to go and it's going to create a copy of this view that I'm in. It may take a few seconds depending on the amount of data you have. Like I'm using a point cloud here, so it may take a few seconds. But now if I come over to my Google Doc, I can right click in here and paste, and it will paste that image into my Google Doc or spreadsheet. So I can do that with any of you. You'll notice that the background, actually the black gets turned into more of a gray color so that it's not the black background.